Here's a little job for you. Can you put this sentence into reported speech? I hate you, she said. I hate you, she said. Can you put that sentence into reported speech? Some people call it indirect speech. You may hear both. Uncle Geoff says reported speech. So can you put that direct speech into indirect or reported speech? I hate you, she said. Well, a couple of things to remember. In reported speech, you don't have the speech marks, so it's just one complete sentence. There are no commas usually in that reported speech. For such a short sentence, there are no commas. So what do you think? I hate you, she said. And in reported speech, she said that she, and the tense goes back one, so hate becomes hated. She said that she hated me. How unkind.